Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this morning's severe weather update. So we have the likelihood of a tornado outbreak across northeastern Texas today, as the Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk of severe weather in the orange shaded area across northeast Texas, southeast Oklahoma, and western areas of the Arklatex. We have a slight risk from northwest Texas through central Texas, the southern half of Oklahoma, the western half of Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, central eastern Missouri, southern Illinois, southwestern Indiana, in the two yellow shade areas, and a marginal risk in the dark green across much of the South, the Midwest, through southeastern Virginia and northeastern North Carolina. And taking a look at our probabilities of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of a location today, we have a 10% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location today across north central northeastern Texas in areas like Dallas Fort Worth through Tyler through Texarkana. Make sure you're on guard for numerous tornadoes if you live across the yellow shade area, especially during the afternoon hours today, and a couple of strong tornadoes, especially in this hatched area. We have a 5% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location, the Brown area, for much of north central northeastern Texas, southeast Oklahoma, southwestern western Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, central eastern Missouri, southern Illinois, southwestern Indiana. Make sure you're on guard for scattered tornadoes if you live in the brown shade areas, and isolated tornadoes if you live in the green shade areas as well. Taking a look at our damaging wind threat, we have a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour stronger than 25 miles of a location across northeast Texas, north central Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, far western areas of the Arklatex. Make sure you're on guard for numerous damaging wind gusts if you live across the red shade area especially. Scattered damaging wind gusts are likely in the yellow shade areas, and isolated damaging wind gusts are likely in the brown shade areas as well. And taking a look at our large hail threat, we have a 30% chance of quarter-sized hail or larger within 25 miles of a location across north central northeastern Texas in the red shade area, 15% chance in the yellow shade areas, 5% chance in the brown shade area. Make sure you're parking your cars in the garage if you live in this hatched area, as you could be seeing hail up to golf ball to tennis ball to baseball size, maybe even softball size, in areas like Dallas, Fort Worth, Waco this afternoon and evening. So timing out our storms with the 12Z run of the HRRR model, we have a slow-moving mesoscale convective system moving through southern Oklahoma and north Texas this morning. And as we go into about 10 to 11 a.m., this is when I think our tornado threat will begin to ramp up across far southern Oklahoma and north Texas as our MCS intensifies. Going to be seeing some QLCS tornadoes embedded in this line. But as we go into about 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, this is when I think we're really going to see a significant tornado threat across the Arklatex area into southeastern Oklahoma between Dallas and Texarkana. Make sure you are really watching out between this time frame if you live across especially northeastern Texas and southeastern Oklahoma. Storms will push into Texarkana around 5 o'clock in the evening, as well as Tyler, and then we're going to be seeing more storms around Waco as we go into about 6 to 7 o'clock this evening. I think these storms have the greatest potential to produce very large hail, as they're going to be more discrete in nature. And going into about 7, 8, 9 o'clock, this is when our storms will merge into more of a line between about Waco through Longview through Texarkana, producing a lot of damaging winds and large hail as it pushes southeast across northeast Texas, pushing through Shreveport around 10 p.m., and then the storms will slowly push southeast across Texas and Louisiana as we go through the overnight hours. So make sure you are preparing now for a tornado outbreak if you live across the Dallas-Fort Worth area through northeast Texas and western areas of the Arklatex today. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.